Hey guys, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at a couple of the best rated stocks of the week. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're checking out some trending stocks, those being the best rated stocks of the past week. So they have a lot of analyst ratings flooding in on them lately. We're going to take a look at what's been going on with these stocks and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Of course, we came across these stocks over on the TipRanks Trending Stocks page. Found right under the Research Tools menu with the trending stocks, you can see the best, worst, or most rated stocks over the last 30, 7 days, or 72 hours. So we're taking a look at this past week and some of the best rated. And just before we jump into these stocks, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's get right into our two trending stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Viridian Therapeutics. They trade under the ticker VRDN, currently priced at $21.25. Year to date, they were on the decline, but you can see just recently here the stock took a big jump up, climbing 74% in the last 3 months. Viridian Therapeutics is a biotech firm that is focused on developing novel therapies for autoimmune diseases. The company's main focus is on thyroid eye disease, or TED, a serious condition that can lead to blurred vision or blind spots. Viridian is advancing 2 drug candidates for TED in clinical trials, and it's currently being evaluated in 2 phase 3 studies, Thrive and Thrive 2. Their drug VRDN-001 is administered via intravenous infusion with a regimen of 5 treatments given at 3-week intervals, and it is considered a potential best-in-class therapy. And as you may have guessed from that big jump up in stock price, the company did just release positive top-line data from that phase 3 trial. They achieved all primary and secondary endpoints in Thrive, with all secondary endpoints being highly statistically significant. This is the largest phase 3 trial conducted to date of an antibody in the thyroid eye disease. Their second phase 3 trial is underway, and top-line data is expected for that by the end of the year. One analyst recently weighing in comes from Wedbush. The analyst reiterated their buy rating based on the strong performance of Viridian Therapeutics' drug in the Thrive clinical study for TED. The primary endpoint showed a statistically significant improvement compared to the placebo, and the drug's efficacy in reducing proptosis and resolving diplopia was on par with or better than Tepeza's results at a later 24-week timeframe. They see this as indicative of the drug's potential for approval and market success. Also recently increasing their price target was a 5-star analyst from Leerink Partners. They said Vili's rapid onset of action and a more convenient dosing regimen could potentially set it apart from the competition Tepeza, offering a differentiated product profile. The safety data shares indicated that Vili is well tolerated, with adverse events rate broadly in line with those experienced with Tepeza. Viridian Therapeutics has 15 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 13 buys and 2 holds. And the average price target comes in at $33 per share, implying an upside potential of 55% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, in this past week, we have a lot of analysts bumping up their price targets. Our low-end price target is from a while ago, back in May, with a downside of nearly 6%, while our high-end price target, more recently here, at $56 from BTIG, with an upside of 163%. In fact, we have several price targets that are up above that 100%. And our second best-rated stock of the week is JFrog. They trade under the ticker FROG, or FROG, currently priced just above $28 per share. Year to date, they are in the red, down over 18.5% and falling 13% in the last 3 months. JFrog is a software company working in DevOps. They provide their users with clean, efficient pathways to make regular, invisible software edits. The company's goal with the platform is to make the workflow from the developers to users secure and free of unnecessary hassles. JFrog's DevOps tools are compatible with all major software technologies, and in an added convenience for all users, the platform enables a fully automated DevOps pipeline. The stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster lately. Back on August 7th, they did come out with mixed results for their latest quarter, with an earnings beat but a miss on revenue. They reported Q2 earnings per share of 15 cents, coming in 1 cent ahead of analyst expectations. Revenue did grow 22% year over year, coming in at $103 million, but did fall $600,000 short of analyst expectations. The company did see their cloud revenues grow 42% year over year. Following that quarterly report, they did have an analyst at Oppenheimer downgrade their rating on the stock, creating some more downward pressure. But in more recent news, creating a more positive buzz, the company recently announced that they and GitHub were expanding their partnership. They unveiled new integrations at JFrog's annual user conference. They said the deepening collaboration provides developers with a consolidated view of project status and security posture to help quickly address potential vulnerabilities discovered by the company's respective advanced security offerings. JFrog also announced that they were collaborating with NVIDIA. They said their new product integration of their JFrog platform with NVIDIA's NIM microservices will allow organizations to bring secure machine learning models and large language models to production at lightning speed with increased transparency, traceability, and trust. A 5-star analyst from Robert Baird recently reiterated their rating on the JFrog stock. They said at the forefront, the company's launch of runtime security and the deepened partnership with GitHub are pivotal developments. Furthermore, the integration of AI through collaborations with NVIDIA and GitHub's Copilot has strengthened JFrog's position, offering advanced insights and enhancing security across the software supply chains. Plus, the positive feedback from the Fortune 50 customers and partners, including tech giants like Cisco and Tesla, indicate a strong market endorsement of JFrog's direction. Also weighing in was an analyst from Needham. They reiterated their buy rating, saying that JFrog's unveiling of new capabilities at the Swamp Up event in Austin demonstrated the company's commitment to evolving its services. These advancements are aimed at providing comprehensive binary support for runtime environments, which is a significant step in bridging the gaps between security, machine learning, and the integration of source code with binaries. The JFrog stock currently has 17 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 14 buys and 3 holds. And the average price target of nearly $34 would imply an upside potential of about 19%. Looking at those ratings down below, our low-end price target is a hold from Scotiabank with a downside of over 11%, while our high-end price target comes in at $44 from Bank of America with an upside of 56%. So that is a quick look at 2 of the best rated stocks from the past week. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and what other stocks have been catching your eye lately. You guys know I always appreciate hearing from you. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.